Hi guys, in today's video we look at all the exams which are there, MBA entrance exam, the top exams which are there, and when is going to be the tentative date from the entrance point of view. So let's look at the complete map here. So starting from the month of April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. So unfortunately, you have to give the exam almost every month. We have to track. So we are going to be together for the next 1 year. Unfortunately, we have to be together for the next 1 year. You hate it, like it or hate me, but you have to be with me. So we have to be involved with each other's training for the next few months. Unfortunately, fortunately for me, unfortunately for you. Okay, so April, May, June, July. The November is our main exam. So CAT is most probably is going to be November end. So November 27th might be the date for the CAT exam. So my expected date for the CAT exam this year is going to be November 27th. Yeah, that's my expect. It can be on November 20th also. It can be on December also, depending on how COVID takes place. But most probably date is going to be November 27th for the CAT exam. Okay, CAT say 1 month before the CAT exam will have the NMAT ka exam. Narsi Monji NMAT ka exam. Then after CAT exam, 2 weeks after CAT exam, we'll have SNAP and IFT. Now IFT is immediately after the CAT exam, but because of COVID, the dates might change. This is what is historically have been happening. I'm giving you that data. Now how the things will change, we have to wait and watch for that. But this is the mota date. CAT next week, IFT, then SNAP. After SNAP, we have IB SAT ka exam in December. Then January we have ZAT. And next week after that is TEST. Then usually January end we have CMAT exam, and March second week we have CET exam. These are the main exams which are there. Of course, I can't give all the exams. Yeah, NMAT, CAT, SNAP, IFT. There's an approximately fees of 2,000 rupees per exam. So if I'm giving 10 exam into 2,000, 20,000 is only the fees to pay for the exams, which of course I can't afford. So we'll select 3-4 exams out of them. I believe in Indian student, if you're giving 5 exams, you will crack 1 out of them. Okay. Now let's see how to plan your studies. Now we can see that November onwards we have only exams coming up, so I have to prepare beforehand. So from that point of view, I recommend to complete the full syllabus by June. That's what my target is to all my students. Okay, let's complete the syllabus by June end, so that I'm done with all the basics and done with all the type of questions which are coming in the exam by June end. Yeah, this is always my recommendation. Then July, August, September, October, I can go full-fledged into the CAT exam, because CAT is your major cash cow. 80% of the colleges are through CAT. 80% our colleges are here. IFT 1 college, SNAP 2-3 colleges, IB SAT 1-2 colleges, NMAT 1 college, ZAT 2 colleges, TEST 1, CMAT 1-2, CET 1 and 2, JB SIDNAM. So CAT is your major cash cow. Fine. Like today I got a call from a student, she said she's only focused on IFT. Very good. I want to create a backup plan. What if you're not able to clear the cutoff? What if you are not able to clear the cutoff GK? Fine, because IFT also includes GK. हमारे दिल में जो है अच्छी बात है, होना भी चाहिए that my dream is this college. I do believe in that. You have to dream. But what if you're not able to achieve the dream? What is the backup plan? That's why I recommend you to give a few more exams as backup exam. Okay, so these are the exams which are going to be there. Any question if you have, you can ask me in the comment box. This is again conditions apply. We don't know how COVID will play this year as well. Will create problems for this year as well. But normally, what we have seen last year, private exams were not at all affected because of COVID. They all happened with a small delay and all. But government exams were screwed up. CET, CMAT, IFT, all the tests, all the government exams were screwed up. So to wait and watch for this year how the exams will come forward. All the best.